someone. We were supposed to meet 10 minutes ago.
I left early today, but I couldn't find a parking spot. I've been circling around the parking lot for 20 minutes.
Man, I have to get there fast. Then I get no traffic delay. Man, I have to use new parking spot AI app.
Our AI camera sensors track available parking spots in real time. It updates the app instantly and helps reduce traffic, saves fuel, and makes commutes less stressful.
The app supports multiple languages, so no matter your background, anyone could use it easily. It's designed to be inclusive for all cultures. Imagine if every office and city had this. It would save time, reduce pollution, and start meetings on time.
Smarter parking.
Faster commutes.
Powered by AI.
And built by us.
Okay,
And me
start.
too.